I am aware of the pain that the people of Manipur have gone through following the unfortunate violence. I want to assure you that taking care of the concerns of the people of Manipur is highest priority for us. My government stands with every affected family. The Indian government remains fully committed to strengthening harmony, ensuring security and supporting Manipur in its journey towards stability and prosperity. The government is also committed to promote equitable development across the state and will ensure that the fruits of development and progress reach each and every corner of the state. The people of Manipur are talented and hardworking. I am sure that the people from the valley and the hills will remain together with renewed harmony and take the state to great heights of prosperity and happiness. I urge the people of Manipur to continue supporting measures for harmony and development. Let us together strengthen Manipur as a state where every child feels safe, every woman feels empowered, every community feels included, and every citizen moves ahead towards a bright future.